Direct Memory Access DMA means the data will be transmitting from on-chip memory to external memory devices directly without central processing unit involvement. So we are not using the CPU, so we can save the CPU power consumption automatically. We can save the overall power consumption as the main agenda of the DMA. So DMA controller. So the MSP430 is DMA controller which transfers the data from ADC10 to memory devices without involving the CPU. This DMA controller contains 8 channels. This is channel 0, channel 1 up to channel 8. So in the channel it contains some control bits, source byte, source increment register, enable pin, DMA enable pin, DMA destination increment register, DMA destination byte. Similarly for all. So these 8 channels individually configurable. These 8 channels will be configurable individually. So this DMA controller contains 4 addressing modes. One is fixed address to fixed address mode, fixed address to block of addresses mode. Similarly, block of addresses to fixed addressing modes and block of addresses to block of address mode. These are the 4 addressing modes available in the DMA. So DMA means direct memory access, means transferring the memory directly without involving the CPU. Similarly, DMA contains 6 transfer modes. That is DMA DT means data transfer. So here 0 indicates single transfer mode, 1 indicates block transfer mode, 2 and 3 indicates burst block transfer mode. Next 4 indicates repeat the single transfer mode, 5 indicates the repeated block transfer mode, 6 and 7 indicates the repeated burst block transfer mode. Like that, we can use any one of the transfer modes, either single transfer, block transfer, burst block transfer. The same thing is repeated for single transfer, block transfer, burst block transfer by selecting any one of the DMA data transfer mode. Here, the data will be transmitting as byte to byte, word to word, byte to word, or word to byte. So whenever transferring from byte to word, the upper byte of the destination will be clear. Whenever transmitting from word to byte, only lower byte will be transferred to the destination. Like that, the DMA controller transfer the data directly without using the CPU and save the power consumption. Here round robin means it's equally allot the time for everyone.